Okay, so in this video, let us discuss a coding question asked in Wipro coding round. Basically, it is a program to print inverted half pyramid with asterisk symbol. So we are required to print this inverted half pyramid. So what will be the logic? As we all know, it will be a double for loop. It will be a nested for loop only. All the pattern printing programs are usually nested for loops only. So we have pattern like this, right? Just imagine that this is asterisk symbol and we have to print this pattern. So what can you observe from this? We can observe that as the row number is increasing, the number of columns are decreasing. So if row number is I and column is j, as I increases, j will decrease. So how to code this now? We can see that suppose n equal to 5, that means 5 lines if I want to print. First line there will be 5 stars, second there will be 4, 3, 2. So it is decreasing by 1. Every next line the number of stars is decreasing by 1. So how to code this? Actually I had written a code and this was the code actually. So it's basically a double for loop wherein I'll run a loop from I equal to 0 to I equal to n, that is all the n lines. And then inside the main for loop, I have this condition, j less than n minus I. Let us look at that condition. What is it? It is j less than n minus I. So let us say I is 0. So j will run till where? J will run till 4. J will take the values 0 to 4 when I equal to 0. J will take the values 0 to 3 when I equal to 1. Similarly, you can observe the pattern. As and when I increases, J value will decrease. So initially J was 4, no sorry, J can take 0 to 4, J can take 0 to 3, any value. Then it will keep on decreasing. So this is how you actually print this pattern. And in the upcoming videos, I'll discuss more such pattern printing like diamond and Pascal's triangle, Floyd triangle, etc. So this was the code. If you want to see the output, so nothing else in all these questions, it is just a nested for loop. You need to know some relation will be there between I, j and n, something. So we got that output, we got the inverted half pyramid. So this was the first part of Wipro interview questions. I shall be making many more parts, and please subscribe to my channel and share these videos. And if you are liking them, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Bye.